Knife heads. I'm going to do a pocket dump for you guys. First in my pocket is this Red Bone canoe. This knife has the man on the boat. It's a 1999 one dot canoe. Red bone, look at that pen blade. 62131 CV. Got the pop. Perfect little knife. Let me dig in here. Let me see what else I got. Alright, I got this Caribbean blue copperhead with that Wharncliffe, and it's got a pen blade. It's a 9 dot 2001. I showed this in my last video. 6249W. It's got the saw cut jig in there. It's a Caribbean blue, Big E blue. I love a blue knife. What I love more than a blue knife is a 1970 Red Bone Stockman. Sheep's foot. Spay blade. Spear point blade. And it's not a 1970. It's a 1964 through 69. Or 1940 through 1964. You see it right there. 1940 through 1964 Stockman. Got the pop. Red bone. Pal side. Showstopper. And I'm also carrying Red Bone 1970 3 or 19 nope back up 1972 1972 Red Bone Congress, medium size. This is a half Congress because it's only got 2 blades. 62052 52 pattern. Of course, this is in the CV. As you know, all knives back in the day was in this steel. Got the pop. I love these Congress patterns, and I really like the 2 blades, but I like the 4 blades too. That's all I'm going to show you guys for today. 3 knives. The 1999 Canoe, red bone. The 1940 through 1964 Stockman. The 1972 medium size Congress, red bone. This one, I never told you, this one's the 18 pattern. Sorry, guys. 6318. That's all I got for you guys today. Y'all, stay classy. You hear? What's a man got to do to mow around here? Come on.